Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two task automation platform, which is TinyTask and AutoHotKey. Just quickly dive into it. Whoever decide if any of these can be a better game changer for you. But before we dive into it, know that this video is based on data collective review. So let's quickly dive into it. TinyTask is perfect for anyone who wants quick and simple task automation. It's lightweight, easy to use, and great for repetitive desktop actions like click or form filing. No coding needed, however, it's quite basic and lack the customization, scripting, and advanced trigger that powered users might want. Talking about Hotkey, on the other hand, offers far more flexibility with powerful scripting options that can automate almost everything on Windows. It's great for advanced users, but has a learning curve and it isn't as beginner friendly. So, if you want simplicity and speed, TinyTask win in the aspect, but if you need a full control and customization, AutoHotKey is a better choice. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.